Tatanungin kita, ma'am, ano yung pinaka-concerns ninyo? Bakit kayo napapunta sa ating clinic?
Yung likod ko.
Okay? Ano nangyayari sa likod ninyo?
Masakit kasi bandang dito sa lower part.
Mhm.
Then yung panga.
Okay. Sa jaw, ano nangyayari sa jaw?
Pinipili na siya pantay.
Kapag
Kasi pag gumanga,
okay.
nagkakrock.
Nagkiklik? Oh, okay. Sige, titignan natin lahat ng yan. So, good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. And we're here again sa clinic, sa Vipra, and together with
Maria.
Maria. Okay, so may Facebook ka ba, ma'am?
Yes, follow me on Facebook, Maria Albina Tasik.
Okay.
And Instagram, CVB and Maria. TikTok, Yogurt Maria.
Alright, so to check natin lahat yan at ipa-flash out natin lahat, no? Please follow Ma'am Maria, okay? So ngayon, andito siya sa clinic natin at tatanungin kita, ma'am, ano yung pinaka-concerns ninyo? Bakit kayo napapunta sa ating clinic?
Yung likod ko.
Okay? Ano nangyayari sa likod ninyo?
Masakit kasi bandang dito sa lower part.
Mhm.
Then yung panga.
Okay. Sa jaw, ano nangyayari sa jaw?
Pinipili na siya pantay.
Kapag
Kasi pag gumanga,
okay.
nagkakrock.
Nagkiklik? Oh, okay. Sige, titignan natin lahat ng yan. Kailan mo pa siya naranasan?
Siguro 1 year ko na rin siyang iniinom.
Mhm. 1 year. Nagpunta ka na sa iyong dentist? Hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Mhm. Titignan natin kasi there are so many types of disorders ng ating jaw. It's either, ang pinaka-root cause is deformation ng ating ngipin o kaya yung ating, what they call this one, wisdom tooth na tumutubo. Ayan. So, lahat ng yan ay nagko-cause din ng pagkakaroon ng misalignment sa ating jaw. Okay? So, yung iba naman is nakukuha naman sa excessively na pagganga at excessively na pagmuya. Ayan. Okay? Pero, titignan din natin, kung ano man yung mga recommendations natin. Mamaya, i-check natin lahat para makita natin yung root cause. Kung pwede ba natin siyang galawin or recommendation for orthodontics na tinatawag. Okay? Yan. So, magkakaroon naman tayo ng physical examination. Alright? Para at least malaman mo kung ano yung mga pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin sa isang pasyente at kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon sa katawan mo. Bakit ka nakakaranas ng ganyan. Okay? Pero, eto, ready ka na for physical examination. Hindi ka naman gutom. You want water? Anything? Okay, sige. Posture up. Ayan, sige. How's this one? Okay, so more on sa lower back ang laging nangangalay ba or may
Ngalay.
pain? Ngalay. Okay, gaano to kangalay? From 1 to 10, 10 yung highest.
7.
7. Okay. When you do something else na anong movement? Or lagi kang computer ba?
Sa computer
Or
kasi.
laging nakatayo, ganon?
Sa computer,
Naging nakaslouch. Okay, sige. Yan, titignan natin ito lahat, Sige, turn to your left. Yan. Good. Turn to your right. How was it? Saan yung something tight? Nothing? Wala naman. More of sa left side. Tapos right na levator muscle. Tingala. Yan, ang normal is about 45-degree extension right there. How is it? Tension, pain, masakit. Saan banda? Here? This one. Ayan. So at least andun pa naman tayo sa pinaka-normal motion or yung pinaka-maximum motion ng ating extension. But you have a tension na nangyayari, ibig sabihin. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ngalay or pain doon sa area na yan. Yuko ka. Push it. Good one. Ayan. Okay? Kapag pinupush kita, anong pakiramdam?
Dito.
Right here. Wala namang connection dito. Very good. Ngayon, tignan natin yung shoulders mo. Right here. This one. All the way up. Yan. Kamusta ito? May mabigat ba? May masikip sa shoulder traps mo? Wala naman. Very good. Down. Mula sa harap. Ilagpas sa tenga. Yan. How is it? Nothing. Very nice. Okay? So, very good yung traps muscles mo and upper trapezius muscles. Ito naman sa lower. Right here. Yan. Ang normal side is about here. How is it? Kamusta ito?
Hindi
Or
ko
ito?
banda.
Okay. Kabila. Tignan natin. Go ahead and here. Oh, very good. So, vertical line of your shoulders. Kamusta? Wala naman. Very good. Oh, stand up. Confirm natin yung lower back mo, ha? This one. Here, go back bend. Nice. Okay. But you have pain? Saan banda? Here.
Kanan.
Okay. Gaano siya kasakit?
8.
8? Okay. Sige. Ngayon, titignan natin yung pinaka-real cause or root cause. Bakit nagkakaroon ka ng ganito na nararamdaman. So, ngayon, titignan natin lahat ng formation ng iyong buong spine. Okay? Forward bend. Sige, yuko ka, ha? Titignan ko. Okay, yuko yung ulo. Yan. Right here, this is your spine. Okay? Okay. Right there. So, you have sa lumbar misalignment. Okay? So, mataas ito at medyo mababa ito. Okay? Up ng konti. Konti lang. Konti lang. Okay? So, right here. So, you have development of sign na nagkakaroon ka ng mild scoliosis. Okay? But, hindi pa naman siya nandoon. Papunta pa lang. Okay? So, ang nangyayari is more of misalignment and 3-degree curve. Okay? Kaya sobrang taas nito at sobrang baba nito. Okay? Na-diagnose ka ba before ng scoliosis? Mild scoliosis? Hindi. Bakit? Hindi mo alam. So, development. So, this is the 4-degree. Sobrang taas nito. Ang baba nito. Gusto mo picturean natin yung likod mo para makita mo. So, kaya ganito yung therapy natin para at least mabawasan natin or ma-prevent natin yung mga malalang kondisyon na mangyayari sa iyong katawan. Okay? Ganon. So, development and sign na nagkakaroon ka na ng mild scoliosis. Thoracic, right here. Okay? Tapos, nako-compromise na yung iyong ribs kasi nakakonekta yung ribs natin sa ating spine or vertebral spine. Kunyari, nag-twist ito, nag-twist ng ganyan, or curve na ganito. Okay? Lahat ng rib cage na nakakonekta sa ating spine ay umaangat or nade-deform din. Minsan ba hinihingal ka or medyo kapos sa paghinga? Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Very good. So at least, very good yung iyong upper and front rib cage. So, ito lang yung pinaka nangyayari. Pero pag lumala ito, asahan mo na minsan ay nahihirapan kang huminga. At pagka lumala ito, dahil meron ka ng sign of mild scoliosis, yan. Right here. Yes. Okay? Ganon yun ang pinaka nangyayari sa'yo. So at least, nagiging aware ka na sa iyong kondisyon sa katawan. Especially, ang defense mechanism ng ating katawan or muscles ay it signals out. Kaya ito nangangalay to message us in outer senses natin. Okay? Para magbigay warning na there's something wrong. Ayan. There's something deformation nangyayari or negative effect sa kung ano yung activities na ginagawa mo. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, ang unahan natin i-check is yung lower extremities mo papunta sa lumbar at saka dito. Okay? Sige. Ready ka na? Natatakot ka ba? Any question for me? Ganyan.
Not so far.
Wala naman. Okay? Sige. Ayan. So, ako pala si Aster. Okay? What's your name again? Maria. Oh, Maria na lang. Alright. Sige. Ayan. So, una natin i-check with your tension right here sa ating cervical 7, 6, and 5. Right here. This one. So, ang pa-curve mo, this is your spine, which is, andito na yung spine. Okay? So, ito dapat yung normal. Ito center. Pero yung spine mo dito sa gitna is more of here na. Pa-curve na ng konti. So, what we're going to do is this one. I will push this one back. Okay? Sige, right there. So, okay. Pairam ako ng face mo again. Sorry. Yan. Sige, relax ka lang dyan. Good one. I will push this one. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulder. Shoulder down. Good one. Nice. Lagyan natin yung kabila. Here, or cervical 5 na tinatawag. Ano? Here. This one. I will push this one. Sige. I will hold down one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulder. Shoulder down. Good one. Nice. Nice one. Any pain? Good. Okay? So, good. The first is yung iliac crest na tinatawag sa ating pelvis and sa ating sacroiliac joint or sa gitna ng puwetan. Okay? So, ganito yung pag-check sa kanya. Taas mo ito. Diretso. Diretso. Go up. Yan, sige up. Anong pakiramdam? Mabigat, may ngalay sa lower. Wala. Okay. Sige, down. Kabila. Kabila, go. Here. How is it? Mabigat? Anything? Okay. So now, let's see here. Okay. This one. See, ano? Yeah. What we're going to do is cross feet. Here. Good one. Right there. I will push this one away. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Okay, so ito clear naman. So, mas internal tayo. So, bubuhatin ko ito ha. Ready? Go. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Exhale. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Nice. Now, how is it? So that's your iliac crest. Okay. Sige. Ready. Open. Inhale again. Exhale. Let it out. Good one. Inhale. And exhale. Relax it. Nice. How is it?
Good.
Wow. Mostly ano yung ginagawa mo everyday?
Nakaupo talaga sa
Computer?
8 hours.
Gaming ba ito or work?
Work.
Okay, so ano yung pinaka-work mo pala? Sorry.
Call center.
Okay, nagbi-BPO ka.
Yes.
Home base ba ito?
Yes po.
Wow, okay. So right here. Good. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay. Grabe yun ha, 8 hours ha. So now, let's see your coccyx. So now, ang gagawin mo ay itataas natin yung dalawang paa. Diretso. Okay? Yan, engage yung putan. Sige. Yan, ganito. Diretso mo yung tuhod. Sige, taas pa. Kaya? Good one. Okay. Sige. Tigasan mo yung puwet mo, tapos pigilan mo yung pag-open ko. Okay? Sige. Ready? Go up again. Sige, up, up, up. Yan. Sige, ganyan. Okay? Pigilan yung pag-open ko. Diretso mo yung tuhod mo. Yan, diretso yung tuhod. Good, good, good. Nice. Alright. So, very clear naman. So, ito lang talaga yung pinaka nagko-compromise. Okay. Next one, dito tayo sa ating ribs. Right here. This one. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good. Clear. Inhale again. Exhale. Clear. Good. Upper side. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Last one right here. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Makanito. Inhale again. Exhale. Down, down, down. Clear. Inhale. Exhale. Clear one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Good one. Alright. So ngayon, tignan natin ulit yung iyong paa. Sige. Go up. Nice. How is it? Good. Sige. Kabila. Nice one. Okay? Anong difference sa tingin mo?
Magaan.
Mas magaan. Okay? So, medyo mas mataas na rin, kumbaga. Okay? So, ayan. So, ang gagawin natin ay please sit down.
Gumaas.
Gumaan.
Grabe.
Dami nun especially sa likod mo.
Oo.
Sa lower. Ito naman tayo sa taas. Okay? Sa gitna at saka sa taas. Dahil, ito yung nangyayari na compromise sa'yo with your signs of thoracic scoliosis. Okay? So, you're right here. Yan, hihiga ka sa akin. Hawak ka sa batok mo. Yan, okay. Yan, para mo ko nito. Good. Ibaba mo yung siko mo. Sige, ilock mo yung siko mo. Sige, lock mo. Baba, baba, baba. Baba. Yan. Sige, baba mo yung siko mo. Good one. Relax mo ito. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good one. Nice. That's it. How was it?
Good.
Good. Any pain? Alright. So, hawak ulit. Para mo ka sa batok. Hawak ka sa akin, sa kamay. Yan. Tapos, ibaba mo yung siko mo. Ilock mo, ilock. Sige, go. Lock. Ibaba pa. Close mo sa yung siko, yung elbow. Yan, ibaba mo. Sige, sige pa. Sige pa. Yan, very nice. Sige, ibaba mo. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So, very clear naman itong upward. Now, hug. Okay? Yakap ka sa sarili. Here. Yuko. Relax ang shoulder. Go. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Nice. Okay. Good. Right. That's it. Okay. So now, ihaya ka. Sige, here. This one. Pagka nagiging model ka sa event, gaano kayo katagal nakatayo?
Approximately 5 hours.
5 hours?
6, naka-heels.
Naka-heels. Bigyan natin ito, ha? Here, rotation. Good. Ayan. Tension lang ng konti. Very nice. Okay? So first, there's metatarsal right here. Clear. Lower. Clear again. Here. Twisting. Clear. Okay. Upper talus bone. Right. Here again. Good. Next is for your cuboid bone. Okay? Here. Relax. Upper, upper, upper. Nice. You good? Okay? Next is for your heel. Ito. Yan. Sige. Relax mo ito. At connected yan dyan sa iyong inner hip. Okay? Sa balakang din. Okay? Here. This one. Turn. Good. Yan. Para siyang lapay-pay na. Relax mo to.
Ah.
Nice. Good. Yeah.
Oo.
Sa gila. Okay. Here. Clear. Clear again. Yun. Navicular bone. Ayun. Good. Yan yung naapektuhan kapag lagi kang naka-heels. At saka, pagka nakaupo ka sa upuan or gaming chair or everything, office chair, pagka gumaganto ka ba sa iyong upuan? Nakating ka yan.
Kating kaya.
Tapos pinapatong mo yung paa mo doon sa chair na ganyan. So, doon nagkakaroon ng tension between your ankles and foot. Okay? Kasi maraming buto dito. Here. Relax. Clear. Right there. Good. Relax ito. Yan. Good one. Okay? Last one is for your heel. Relax ito para siyang lupay-pay ba? Right there. Turn, turn, turn. Good one. Nice. Wow. Sa tuhod ba, meron kang nababother ka kapag umaakyat ka ng hagdan? Meron bang something else? Wala ka namang naranasan pa? Very good. Crawling joint or sa gitna ng ating pelvis. And then, sa lower lumbar, number 5. Okay? This one. This one. Here. Twist. Yan. Okay. So, yung right there. Good one. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Huwag mong titira ng hangin sa tiyan. Okay? Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Nice. Very good. How was it? Right there. Good one. Ready. Again. Inhale and exhale. Nice. Good.
God.
Any pain? Good. Okay. Sa kamay na tayo. Ayan. Okay. That's your carpal bone. Okay. 8 pieces na buto na parang jawline maliliit lang. So, once na ito ay makompromise, ang pinaka nagiging syndrome na makukuha mo dito is development of a carpal tunnel syndrome. Kaya minsan, yung ibang medyo may edad na or bugbog sa trabaho ay nangangalay na ito. Yan. So, prevent lang natin para mawala yung sudden clicking. Okay? Relax. Good one. Okay, clear sa upper. Okay. Relax. Relax. Yung elbow down. Good. Right there. Clear. Sa lower side. Clear again. Center. Good. Okay. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Hold it. Push it back down. Nice. Okay, last one here. Good. Alright. Here. Elbow. Relax. Turn. Good. Here. Last one. Clear. Any pain. Good. Okay? Pahinga mo yan. Wala nagkiklik. Right? Yan. So may konti lang. Nice. Good. Or malakas ka naman kumain.
Lakas naman. Ano lang. Huwag lang talaga tabain.
Ganyan lang talaga yung katawan. At least, hindi ko mahihirapan. Okay. Here. Anong paborito mong food?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Fried.
Fried chicken. Clear. Nice. Okay. Good. Relax. Here. Turn. Last one. Good. Okay. Now, let's see. Yan. So, meron pang isa. Ganito siya. Here. Relax. Yun. Elbow. Okay. Down, down, down. Relax, relax. Good. Okay. Relax. Okay. Let's see. Last one. Good. Relax. Yeah. Any pain? Okay? Start clicking. Oh, right there. Ito. Sa ating metacarpal right here. So what we're going to do is this. Here. Push it, push it. Okay. Strengthening. So, ulna. Here. Turn. Good. Nice. Other side. Here. Turn again. Good. Any pain? Nice. Masakit? Okay. So, itong exercise na dapat mong gagawin. Okay? So, if you have stress ball, okay? Push it. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan ng grip exercises. Pero, ito, para lumakas yung main muscle support at maiwasan yung pagkakaroon ng development na ganito. Okay? Right here. Kasi, nakaayos naman lahat ng carpal bones o nasa pwesto naman lahat. Okay? So, you have to do is, strengthening. Okay? Right here. Ipo-push natin or ipipinch natin yung tinatawag na trigger points. Okay? So, sa trigger points is right here. Cervical number 1. I will push it. Sabihin mo kung may pain. Any pain? Good. Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. Nice. So, traps muscles. Okay? Very good. Okay? Here. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Meron? Okay. Here. Nothing. Alright. So, normal tension doon sa iyong cervical spine. So, mas mabilis lang natin siyang i-release. Okay? Ipupwesto natin ang tama bago tayo mag-release ng tension. This is your cervical number 1 right there. Good. This is your cervical number 2 right here. Sige, relax ang shoulder. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay, so ito ay more of clear, but you have the compression. Sige, relax. Good one. Right there. Okay, relax mo ito. Yun. Alright. Twisting. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Okay? So, block. Okay? So, ganito ang kailangan natin gawin. So, it's a ring dinger and manual traction. Ganito. Right there. Alright. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Good one.
Ah,
Nice. Good. That's it. So, sa left and right vertebrae ay nagkakaroon ng compression. Kaya, kailangan natin ng konting traction or decompression with your cervical spine. Okay? So, normal naman yung twisting part, but you have a little compression with it. Any pain? Any ngalay? Good. Nakafocus na tayo sa iyong muscle recovery right here. Okay. Ma-maintain mo yung pangangalay sa iyong lower back. But, kailangan mo makita kung ano yung mga sensitive part of the muscles para at least mas beneficial. Okay. Anong feeling kapag nagatamaan dito? Last one. Gaano mo nakatagal itong naranasan? Ito at saka yung lower back.
wala nang nag-call center talaga ako.
Okay.
2 years na rin.
Ilan?
2 years.
2 years na. Grabe. Kumbaga, every time na iniinda mo na lang ito. Kapag pagkagising mo ng umaga, medyo may mabigat na ba or wala pa?
Wala naman. During pag nakaupo,
During working.
napatagal ka ng pag-stretch mo, parang ginhawa na.
Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na proper way of releasing ng muscles. Any pain in here? Good. So, unlike sa traditional massage na nararanasan natin nowadays, okay, yung way of technique natin sa releasing ng muscles is yung tinatawag na muscle knots and knuckle muscles. Okay, yung buhol-buhol na muscle fiber at saka bukol-bukol na muscle fiber. Okay? Mas mabilis natin silang inire-release with the proper movement of the muscles para maiwasan natin yung pagkabugbog or pagkakaroon ng soreness ng muscles dahil sa sobrang pagkahilot dito. Okay? Here, at saka yung last is your ears. Okay? Sige, hawak ka sa bewa. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, ipipigilan mo ako, ipupush kita forward. Okay? Sige, relax ha. Push it. Sige, go. Push it, push it, push it. Okay, very firm. Go. Pigil. Sige pa, lakas. Lakasan mo. Sige pa. Good. Okay. Very firm yung pinaka-tendons and ligament support ng kanyang shoulder. So, what we're going to do is this. Right there. Twisting. Stretch. Go. Up. Nice. Okay. Here. Nothing. Last one here. Good. And then, upper side. Yuko ka. Ayan. Right there. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Good. Nice one. Sige, sa kabila. Here. Relax. Yuko ka. Good. Yep. Nice one. So, stretch again. Upper. Last one here. Good. And then, right here. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Good one. Alright. You good? Okay. So, last is for your ears. Ito. Para sa'yo ay ang makukuha mo lang dito is more of releasing ng ear pressure para maganda yung airflow at maging maayos yung pandinig mo. At recover yung temple muscles right here. Okay? Para sa iyong stress and migraine or headache. Relax. Snap, snap, snap. Nice. Right there. Relax. Good one. Good Snap, snap, snap. Nice. Good? Okay. Last natin is yung iyong jaw. Okay? So, next is a sensitive part of our ears. Right here. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. You good? Sakit hindi? Okay. Sige. Ready? Dahan-dahan. Sige. Good one. So, ito na, oh. Right here. Close it. Yun. May masakit ba? Okay, sige. Again. Good. Yun. Alright. Close it. So, right here yung mas align. Kasi ito yung mas naka-pass kaysa dito. Okay? Tapos ito yung naka-compromise with the clicking sound. So, what we're going to do is this one. Turn right here. This one. Relax. Here. Good one. Here. Okay. Good. Relax lang ito. This one. This is the temporal bone. Good one. Relax. Nice one. Alright. Good. Here. Good. Sige. Last one right there. Good one. Stay. Masakit ito? Okay. Relax. Good one. Okay. Good. Okay. Stay. Good. And close it. Good one. Nice. Relax. Here. Good. Pain? Okay. Right there. Relax. Good one. Okay. Good. Let's see again. Okay? Relax. Pagka ngumunguya ka nito, anong pakaramdam?
Wala naman. Pero pagka talagang humangangalang malaki.
Kapagka humihigab ka,
Medyo
gano'n.
masakit.
Okay, let's see again. One finger Very good. Okay, nice. Ito na, no? So, meron na dito at meron na rin dito. Okay? Sige, two finger Good. Okay, stay it. Good one. Sige, relax. Right here. Two finger again. Good. Nice. Okay? And then, close it. Nice. Good. Relax. Okay? Again. Go. One finger. Good. Nice. Two finger. Good. Nice one. Right there. Last one and three finger. Good one. And then close it. Nice. How is it?
Good.
Thank you so much for trusting.
Thank you
Okay?
po.
Alright. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ulit ng physical examination. Before and after. Ready ka na?
Okay.
Alright. So, hi Rock Nation again and we're done with Ma'am
Maria.
Okay. So ngayon, physical examination again. Ready? Posture up. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. Okay? How is it now?
Much better.
Mas maluwag ba? Ngayon, the moment of truth. O, tingala ka. Ayan. O, hindi na kita kailangan i-push dahil ito na yung pinaka 45 degree extension. Kanina yung may tension dito. Kamusta ngayon?
Okay na.
Kanina, tinutulak kita, di ba? O, ngayon, mas
Okay na.
magaan.
Pagka ganun, diretso na.
Diretso na ganito eh, no? Pares na tayo, no? Ganyan. Okay? So, yuko. Kanina, pinush kita at may pain dito. Sige, push it. Alright, kamusta?
Good.
Good. Wala nang tension. Wala nang pain. Very nice. Yun. Ganon. O, tignan natin. Stand up. Ready? Go. Back bend. How is it now?
Better.
Kamusta yung pain kanina at ngayon?
Mas okay na to eh.
Mhm.
Magaan talaga. Biglang magaan talaga. Wala na siyang pain.
Wala ng pain. Very good. O ngayon, titignan na natin ulit yung kanyang likuran. Ready ka na? Forward bend. Sige. Oh, nice. O, see this one? O, kanina ay sobrang nakataas ito. Alright? So, ngayon ay very good na. Okay, up ng konti. Pipicturean natin ulit. Alright. Yan. So, Rock Nation. Okay? We're done. O, kamusta po ang pinaka-experience natin?
Good.
Mhm.
Sobrang gumaan talaga yun.
Sobrang gumaan. Wow. Happy ka naman.
Happy.
Satisfied?
Satisfied.
Nice. Thank you so much. Babalik?
Babalik.
Okay. So, i-plug mo yung iyong Facebook page again. Yan.
Yes, follow me on my Facebook account, Maria Alvina Tasik,
Mhm.
and my Instagram, CVBN Maria, TikTok, YoGirl, YOGORL Maria.
Yo, girl. Oh, wow.
Yo, girl.
Mhm. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
trusting.
thank you.
Okay? Thank you. Picture tayo.